Dear students, let's start the book exercise of the topic Global Warming. Chapter number 6, page number 15 and 16. So let's start. Here, first question is, which of the following gas does not trap heat? Your options are carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor and methane. So here correct answer is nitrogen, because most of the gas in the atmosphere is nitrogen and oxygen, both of which are molecules of two atoms. The atoms in these molecules are bound together tightly and unable to vibrate, so they cannot absorb heat and contribute to the greenhouse effect. Here the next question is, the massive hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica was first discovered in which year? So here options are 1976, 1985, 1960 or 1992. So the correct answer is 1985, because the discovery of the annual depletion of ozone above the Antarctic was first announced in a paper by Geoff Farman, Brian Gardner and Jonathan Shanklin, which appeared in Nature in May 1985. Now the next question is, where have some of the strongest and earliest impacts of global warming occurred? Option A, in the tropics. Option B, in the northern latitudes. Option C, America. Option D, equally all over the planet. So the correct answer is in the northern latitudes, because Arctic environments are highly sensitive to even small temperature increases, which can melt sea ice, ice sheets and lead to changes in the Earth's reflectance. Now the next question is, which is the most widely discussed impact of climate change? Options are increase in average sea level, deforestation, soil erosion, water pollution. So the correct answer is A, increase in average sea level. The most widely discussed global impact of climate change is the increase in average sea level. It is expected to rise because glaciers and ice sheets melt and oceans expand as they get warmer. Now let's move to the next question. Sea level is expected to rise because of warmer climate due to which of the following? Option A, ocean retreat due to the tidal pull. Ocean expand as they are warmer. Glaciers and ice sheet melt. And option D, both A and D. So the correct option is option A and D, means ocean retreat due to the tidal pulls and glaciers and ice sheet melt. The rising water level is mostly due to combination of meltwater from glaciers and ice sheets and thermal expansion of sea water as it warms. Here the next one is, climate change may have impact on which of the following? agriculture, B. water resources, C. energy and human health, D. all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above, means climate change may have impact on all: agriculture, water resources and energy and human health. The potential future effects of global climate change include more frequent wildfires, longer periods of drought in some regions, and an increase in number and duration and intensity of tropical storms. Now, here the next one. Which landmark global conference was the first major step toward a global agreement or a greenhouse gas emission reduction? Here the options are Vienna Convention in 1985, Montreal Protocol in 1987, Earth Summit in Rio in 1992, Basel Convention. Now, the correct answer is Earth Summit in Rio in 1992. In 1992, the Earth Summit, organized by United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, was held in Rio in Brazil. The gathering momentum on environmental issues was given support and global focus, and Agenda 21st was set out as a blueprint for action for the 21st century. Now, the last question is, which greenhouse gas is used in refrigerator? Carbon dioxide, freon, methane or ammonia? Here the correct answer is freon, because freon is non-toxic. It eliminated the danger posed by refrigerator leaks, and to find a replacement for the dangerous refrigerants then in use, such as ammonia. It is a non-flammable gas known as freon, undergoes an evaporation process again and again within most refrigerators in order to keep the temperature low.